So I observed one thing, that all of the in the USA maximum person is like, when they retire now, they write a book of all the experience what they have achieved in the past. So
Okay.
when I have a conversation with that person who is a criminal investigator, almost 70 years, like 30 years, 33 years actually, and they share me a lot of things, a lot of the criminals things, like how the people are, how they commit crimes, what are the things happens. So he has so much knowledge about the human mind, how it changes. So apart from the English, I learned so many things about that thing. So that is the thing. So I talked,
Absolutely. You
when I had conversation, he told me that I'm writing a book. So before I die, I want to publish a book, or I want to make a journal so that I can give the other person to learn. One thing I like very much from the USA, like people are there, they write the book when they retire, so that their education, their
okay?
experiences share to the new generation people. Like whatever you achieve in your life,
Wow, that is
just
wonderful.
write a book. Yeah, that is
Uh-huh.
the thing. And that is
That is
perfectly great.
wonderful. That is wonderful.
Yeah.
See, this is all about living your legacy. You know, you are gone, but what you have written, what you have done is going to be there on the net in terms of book or something. Have you thought about something like that? Let me do something like this also. Let me leave a legacy. Have you ever
Yeah,
thought
yeah,
about this?
yeah. What is the problem of India? I think because people get retired very early in India. People after getting married or 30 or 40, they think that I am completely old. I cannot work further. I cannot learn further. So I'm completely retired. But in opposite, if you see in the USA or UK, they never stop learning. I had a conversation like 2 days ago. There was a woman who is almost 50 or 60, I guess, and she's learning a Python script. Like, oh my God, I just said to her that that lady, she told me that I love to learn. I don't see that my age is like 60 or 70. I never think that. So every time they have the learning attitude, so that is very good thing. In India, if you talk any young generation, they just fed up, they just lose interest of while they are learning new skills. So in
Absolutely.
India, if you compare, then they easily gets retired very soon, very early, in comparing
Absolutely.
to.
See, it all. Do you know the reason why it is the why is it that Indians we feel that once we are married and once we have children, our life is done.
Yeah, yeah. I
It is.
really wanted to hunt this question. I don't know why it's the problem is there.
See, it
You
is.
know. Yeah.
According to me, I'll just put my perspective in it. It is the safe net mentality. Okay, it's a safe net mentality. Once you have, you know what, we have grown up with listening to our parents and our elders talk. Okay, fine. When you meet them after 10 years, okay, fine. How married? Okay, okay. How many kids? Okay, okay, okay,
Yeah.
fine. How, you
Yeah.
have your own house? Okay, that's good
Yeah.
though. Nice job. What's the
That means you
salary?
completed your journey of life.
Yes, absolutely. And that becomes your safety net. Okay, fine. I'm going to meet my relatives. Now, what is the question that will come? These are the only things. Now, if I'm ready to answer this question comfortably, I am succeeded. I have succeeded in life,
Yes. Yes. Exactly. Yeah. I
isn't it?
totally agree. I totally agree. What this is. Why people are like that way? I don't never understand. This is really, we can do a lot of things, like a lot of things there are still go in the universe. If you go try to hunt, then we can judge that we aren't able to done a 1% of the things that we can do. We
Absolutely.
are so
Do you
much
know
capable of doing anything.
there is one video of Jack Ma. Have you heard Jack Ma, the Chinese
Jack Ma.
Alibaba giant? The Alibaba from
Okay,
China. Alibaba is Amazon of
okay,
China.
okay. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Uh,
know that, but I haven't seen that video. I will see. I will see that
Probably you
video.
can. I'll just tell you what he says, but I might not say it exactly the way he says. I'll just put it in my own words. What he says is, for every human, he has a cycle. Before he dies, he has to follow this cycle. Until 18, you just have to learn. Okay. Until 18, you just have to learn everything that comes in front of you as a degree, that, this. From 18 to 25, you just have to earn and learn. Okay. Now you're learning, you earn it, but in the process, you're actually learning it. Okay.
Exactly.
after 25, you just have to earn based on what you have learned, and
Exactly.
that you have to do until 45. And after 45, you don't do anything, you just teach what you have learned, and for the
Yes.
rest of the life you have to do that. And
Yeah. Yeah.
in the process, learning should never stop. Learning should never
Yeah.
stop. But after
Yeah.
45, you could have made so much money that after that you're only teaching others to succeed in life
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
your chosen field. That is what he says.
Yeah, become an influencer. Like whatever you achieve in your life, yeah, become influencer.
Absolutely,
Just influence the
absolutely.
person. And
Correct.
the important thing that I also influence so many person who is very good in their skill, but they are not comfortable. So I just influence them. You can do that thing. You have the money, like most of the person who have the ideas, who have the skills, but don't have the money. And one of my like friends, I just put some ideas their mind, like whatever you have area of interest, just do that thing. Don't waste your energy from the rubbish thing. So I just put an idea. I just make their uh, goal clear. So he is successful now. So he
Now
always
I'll
calls me
ask you,
that thing.
Chandan, one question I'll ask you. Now you told me that there are many clapping code tutors whom you converse with, and they are either students, they are doing their
Yeah, yeah,
graduation, or probably double graduates or something. They're still studying.
yeah,
Now
yeah.
you tell me, you are an influencer. You are in the social media. You do digital marketing and all that stuff. Now tell me, in today's scenario, is education important at all? should we should we be spending 15 or 20 years of a individual's life, the first 20 years, well, sending him to school? Is it important in today's scenario?
It's like everything is changing now. Like the thing that we have achieved from the early age, now now the young generation is totally changing. Now the social media is different what we see in the past. Now the people are thinking that giving the internet will give you the excellence of your mind, but this is not happening actually in today's scenario. You can see that. And I don't know where is the young generation is going, because you will not find a single person who can achieve a goal like in the earliest time. Like people are good in the sports, people are doing good in their education, people are doing in good in the scientist field, like all of the fields they have their capability to become a great excellence. But now where is our society is going, where is the young generation going? So in the future we can probably expect that anyone can be a good person in respect of good people, like a scientist, good scientist that we have seen in our past life. You can see that like you will probably find a person who like a uh, like Kapil Dev, like a Sachin Tendulkar, like PT Usha,
Hmm.
like almost 30 40 years has been gone, but you will not find that kind of person. So people are like getting ruining their life with the effect of social media, I think. So that is
Absolutely.
great. So it has to be seen to the government, like government has to take a crucial steps so that people can avoid the bad thing and can
Hmm.
fulfill the good things.
Okay. No,
And why the generation of the study is different from India to USA, like America. People has very different. Why people go to the higher study from the out of India? Why not study higher study here? Because we have no that much of a skill, or we do not have that much of facility. So what is the reason? So this is the
absolutely.
thing.
You kind of speaking something that even I would want to kind of resonate with that. I agree with you completely. But let me rephrase my question. Okay. Now you have achieved so much in life. You have come to this level today. Okay. Now, if at all you have been given one opportunity to start life all over again, okay, you have given all over again, start off right from day one. Now, to reach the same position, what are the things that you would not have done and still reach the same position in your 30 years
Yeah,
of life? Imagine, let us see your 30 years of life. You
yeah,
might have
yeah,
gone to
that's true.
college, you might have
Yeah.
gone to school. Now, tell me, if you are again given day one of your life, what are the things you would not have done and still be at the same position what you are in today?
Yeah, uh, if I get a chance to rewind myself, then I can achieve this position very early age. Almost that I'm taking 30 years, I will take in like 5 to 6 years or maybe 10 years. Because the main problem was that consistency or like focus. You are not sure what you like, what is cynical about your position, right? So this is the thing. Because more the problem is that people are not identify what they want there in life, what they want to do in their life. Because every time when you do something after 10 years you lose interest, then you start another thing, then you lose another 5 years, then you start another thing. This way you come loses like 20, 30 years to identify what is your real interest. That is the main problem.
Absolutely. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Okay, in that case, I think in today's generation, when I talk, the one thing that is missing is they don't know what to do. Though they are exposed to
Yes.
so much of social media around them, they still don't know what they want to do in life, and probably that is the reason they will take that much time in order to make it big in life. As you're telling, if you had started your life right from day one, I think you would have come to this position in just 5 years. That's it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I just want to put my thought here. After 12th, I talked to my parents, my father. I just told to my father that I want to do a math honor because somebody has told me. My father said to me, whatever you want to do, just do it. So I just did the math honors on the like after first year. I just like some of my friends misguided me that after you doing, you will not get any job. So I just stopped that course. So I just lost 1 year. And then I started some other course like that BSc animation, like BSc of BCA. So like almost I spent 3 years, lost 3 years because of confusing. Like somebody has told me do something that thing, somebody has told to me that do that thing. So it was completely a waste of thing. So I was just confused what to do. If you ask 3%, they will guide you 3 decisions. So you have to think what you want to do. So that
Tell
is
me
only
that.
you that who. Yeah.
Tell me that defining moment when you realize that okay, this is my life. I will not listen to anybody. This is what I am going to do, and I'll.
Even though I'm not sure what is really why I wanted to know. Because this moment I know that I like to travel, I like to meet people. So that is the thing. But how to convert this passion to a profession, it's still a long journey. I cannot leave all the things behind that and then go from that position. So that is the thing. And I am a web designer right now, but even many of the colleagues are struggling still in different companies. They are not getting the hike. They are stuck on that political environment. They were crying like they don't like the job, they don't like the environment. But I was I was on the other hand, I was the person that who make a whole to from this department and to become a person who I am right now, to make my life happier in comparing to my colleagues. I'm very happy, I'm very comfortable, I'm free in mind. So
Okay.
it was a hard decision, but it was not my passion that I really wanted to become a developer or designer. Because from that moment of time, I really don't want to know. No, I don't know. I didn't know what I wanted to know, what I wanted to achieve or pursue. So that was the thing.
I just actually we didn't speak
Yeah,
about the document today at all, but
no problem, guys. Tomorrow I'll talk.
no, not a problem. But just you in 1 minute, you tell me uh, how much of your success is luck and how much of it is hard work.
Uh, I will say 50-50.
50-50. Really?
Yeah, yeah,
In that case, you're damn lucky. You're damn lucky.
yeah, 50. Yeah, the thing is that getting a client, which I am right now, people are struggling there. So you have the skills, like many of the person have the skills, but they will not get that client, that comfortable client, that long term client. So that is the thing. So that is the turning point in my life. After that, I become reliable, and then I start my new things, my other things. Because if you fulfill your basic requirement, then your mind will go ahead for the other things. So that was the thing. That was my turning point. I got a client after 5 years. I decided then I can do other things because I can fulfill the basic requirements. That is the basic need of your money, which you can fulfill your family. After that, whatever you want to do, you can do that. Because like if you in respect of singing, like every person is singer, but they will not get that position, that stage. So only the luck will give you that position, will push you that position. So in my position, I can say that I got a client. After that one client, I get another client. So that is the thing. Because in that 130 crore people are pushing to achieve one client. Like it's like getting a fish